Alright, so it's time to set up the rice water rinse. I got a bowl, got a bowl of rice, got a mason jar to put the rice water in, and a cup for my water. So let's get into it. Alright, so I got my bowl, got my water, got my jar, take my rice, pour it in the bowl, take my water, pour it in the bowl, need more water. Alright, pour more water. Y'all see my rice water up in this thing. See that? It's getting dirty. Alright, let's rinse the water out. Then we're gonna put the rice in here and put some more water in here. Then I peeled me some some orange peels. This research, this helps too. So let's rinse this water. Back to the duty stage. I'm gonna transfer this. All right, so let's transfer this rice into this mason jar. That's a lot of rice. I might not even put all this in there. Got my rice. Got my water. Rice water, orange peels. Now it's time to find the top. Be back. All right, I'm back. My rice water has fermented. It's been 24 hours and I'm ready. So first, what I'm gonna have to do is, I don't know where my wide tooth comb is. I know I have one, but I don't know where it's at. So I'm gonna have to nigger rig this thing, honestly. I'm gonna be using a pick today to pick out my hair. So let's go ahead and do this thing. I'm gonna divide it into little sections with my hand because I don't know where none of my combs are. So yeah, that's that. So separate it into 2 parts because my hair is not that long to do 4. Right, so let's spray this rice water in this bad boy. We're gonna hit the back first. Ooh, it's dripping. Ooh, we got in my mouth. Ew. It got in my mouth. Let me put this towel up here just to be on the safe side. But let's go ahead and kick this bad boy out. Cause like I said, I don't know where my comb is at. I'm gonna just go ahead and spray my whole head to make it easier. I wanna make sure I get it all up in my hair, all up in this dirt. Ew. But let's go ahead and finish this rice water. Make sure I get it in my scalp. Man, this junk they got in my eye. Oh man, it got in my eye. Oh my god. Okay, let me put this back right here. I gotta make sure. Keep my eye protected. Shoot, junk getting all up in my eye. My eye burning. All right, so. I'll be back in 20 minutes when it's time to wash. Peace. All right, so it's been 20 minutes. Kind of take this off. This is what I use for my conditioner. I need to go get some new conditioner. I'm gonna switch brands. I really like Main Choice. I'm not gonna lie. I had to put 2 bags on because this thing is like dripping like crazy. It's like dripping really, really bad. But I'm about to take this off and wash this thing. It's been 20 minutes, so we're gonna keep this in. Ooh, keep this in. Y'all see my hair has shrunk. My hair shrunk a lot. But look at them curls. All right, so. I'm gonna have to wash my hair a few times because I know it's dirty. Like, I know my hair is dirty, but I'm not gonna record me washing it as many times as I wash it. Cause I know my hair is dirty from having those Olas in. Luckily, because my hair is still short, it's easier to get this conditioner up in here. Up in my head, up in my head, up in my head, up in my head. Where's my pick? I'm so mad I can't find my comb. Somebody must have stole it. But it's cool. I'll just do a little picky picking. These curls look good. All right, let's wash this mug. Look at that thickness. I'm not gonna record me washing my hair because it's too loud. See y'all when I'm done. Peace. All right, so I'm back. I done washed my hair. Y'all can see I didn't wash the conditioner, all that good stuff. My hair is like black. But I'm about to oil it up with my wild growth. This is really good. I put this on my hair when I had my braids and my faux lops. So I'm about to oil my hair up and stuff. The shrinkage is real. The shrinkage is so real, y'all. understand how real the shrinkage is. Like, y'all just see. I'm gonna go through and part it and oil it. But I just wanted to show y'all I done washed it. Now I'm about to do what I do. In 2 weeks, I will show y'all my results in another video. For that, bye.